There are many products available to choose car washing kit, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best car washing kit from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Relentless Drive Premium Car Wash Kit. This kit has the cleaning products you need to keep your shiny and spotless. Detailing clay bars, car wash soap, detail spray, and wheel cleaner spray tackle the exterior, while an auto upholstery cleaner takes care of the cabin. In addition, this car wash kit provides a wide range of tools and accessories that simplify the cleaning process. The list includes a garden hose foam cannon, a wheel brush, a microfiber mitt, a carpet brush scrubber, and a large microfiber towel for drying. There's also a 5-gallon heavy-duty bucket for water and soap. Number 2. Megier's Car Cleaning Kit. This car cleaning kit has generous quantities of all the necessary supplies to keep grime at bay at a reasonable price. It includes car wax to keep your paint job glistening and one of the best car wash soaps, a foam soap that provides a gentle clean. The kit's quick detailer protects the finish of your car's paint by removing harmful contaminants, and the foaming wheel and tire cleaner is a hassle-free solution for brake dust. This kit also has one of the best interior car cleaners, a spray that works on various surfaces, from plastic to leather. In addition, you get a 3-pack of plush microfiber towels that polish paint, glass, plastic, and chrome. Number 3. Adams Arsenal Builder 21-Item Car Wash Kit. This kit has products and tools designed to tackle every car cleaning application. A car shampoo and foam gun cover the sheet metal, and a glass cleaner keeps the windows and windshield clear. A wheel brush and wheel and tire cleaner spruce up the wheels, and a tire shine and tire dressing applicator keep your car's rubber gleaming. There's also a wash bucket with a grit guard insert that prevents grit from getting to your cleaning mitt. An interior car cleaner spray protects vinyl, plastic, carpet, leather, and glass, and the kit includes detailing towels to dry your car's surfaces. Lastly, you get a 3-pack of strawberry-scented air fresheners to keep things fragrant in the cabin. Number 4. Aero Cosmetics Complete Car Care Kit. With a waterless car wash kit, you don't need to get anywhere near a bucket of dirty water to keep your vehicle pristine. These kits have products you can simply spray on and wipe off to get the job done. This waterless car cleaning kit from Aero Cosmetics has products tough enough to beat down the most resistant dirt and grime. It includes a waterless wash wax, a wheel and tire cleaner, and a product for conditioning rubber and plastics. A spray-on interior cleaner removes dirt from carpet, seats, leather, and vinyl. Number 5. Armor All Premier Car Care Kit. Washing your car is essential, but you can also do other things to keep your vehicle clean. Armor All's car cleaning kit includes user-friendly products that help maintain a spotless vehicle between washes. This kit contains convenient car cleaning wipes to clean your vehicle's dash, vinyl, fabric, carpet, consoles, and leather as needed. Armor All's kit also provides glass wipes to keep streaks and spots off your windows and windshield. Plus, you get all the car cleaning supplies you need for wash days, such as car wax, a wash pad, tire and wheel cleaner, tire shine, glass cleaner, a multi-purpose car interior cleaner, and a car air freshener spray.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make you life much more easier.